Hello everybody. We're going to solve this exercise, some question from this practice set number 2.5. We have already done this question number 1 and this question number 2 in our previous video. This is our sixth video on this topic, quadratic equation of standard 10. We going to solve remaining question from this exercise, and in previous video we have already discussed about various properties and formulae which you need to solve all the questions given in this exercise. So we found three formulae and properties to be known by the students in order to solve these questions from exercise number 2.5. So if you haven't watched my part 5, so just go and watch that video so that you will have a clear idea about various properties which we need to use. Till this question number 2 we have already done. I'm going to start with this question number 3, where we will uh, determine the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. It's very simple question. Now the question is, first question I am going to take, this question number 1, x square minus 4x plus 4, and we will find out nature of the root of this equation. Now in order to find the nature of this equation, first you will make comparison to find the value of a, b, c. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is 0. On comparison, we came to know about the values of a, b, c. How to find out value of a, b, c we have already discussed in first exercise, so you can watch that video. So in this equation, a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 4. Since we need to find out nature of the root, so in order to find the nature of the root, you should know the value of the delta, that is discriminant. So this value of the delta is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, I'll substitute values of a, b, c in this formula. B square, that is minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c. Negative 4 square will become positive 16. Here we have minus sign, so I'll take minus. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So this is 16, which is 0. Now as you can see here, delta is equals to 0. If delta is equals to 0, then the equation will have real and equal root. So here you will say, you will write your nature of the root. Root of the given quadratic equation are real and equal. Root of the given quadratic equation are real and equal. This is complete solution for this question, and this way you can write your solution. Now let's move on next question. I think we don't need to get the solution of these two questions. You can try these two questions, question number 2 and 3. If you will have any difficulty, just let me know in comment box. I'll provide you solution for those questions too. Now let's move on this question number 4. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So here we need roots of the quadratic equation. Now we need equation, form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So in this question, roots are already given. This is our question number 1 from question number 4. Sub question 1, roots of the quadratic equation are 1 and 0. I already told you, whenever we will solve any quadratic equation, we will have two roots of the equation, and one of them can be those two roots of the equation can be considered as alpha and beta. So let alpha is 0 and beta is 4. So these are two roots of the equation. First I'll find out alpha plus beta, that is sum of the root. Sum of the root, that is 0 plus 4. Alpha plus beta. So this is 4. Then I'll find out alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, that is 0 into 4. 0 into 4 will be 0. Now the general form of the equation, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. So as per this formation, here I can take x square minus alpha plus beta, in our case is 4. So here I will take 4 into x, this x, plus alpha into beta is 0. So here I will take plus 0 equals to this 0. Now in this equation, this 0 doesn't make any sense in our equation. So what I'll do, I'll write my final equation as x square minus 4x equals to 0, and this is your required quadratic equation. Let us take one more example, like this one, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Question number 3, 1 by 2. So let alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 2. First I'll find out alpha plus beta, sum of the root. Sum of the root alpha plus beta, 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, this plus minus will become minus 1 by, so my 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 0. Then I'll take alpha into beta, 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So product of the root will become minus 1 by 4. Again I'll take general form of the equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is 0. So this x square minus alpha plus beta, that is 0x, plus alpha into beta is minus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Now this 0x doesn't make any sense in the equation. So your final equation will look like this: x square, this plus and minus will become minus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Now further this equation can be simplified if you multiply all three terms of this equation by 4. So your final equation will be 4x square minus 1 equals to 0. So either this or this can be your final equation of the given roots. It can be x square minus 1 by 4 equals to 0, or it can be 4x square minus 1 equals to 0. Now we will take one more question, this one. 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. These are two roots of the equation. Question number 5, I think this is question number 4. 2, 2 minus root 5. So here we can consider alpha is 2 minus root 5 and beta is 2 plus root 5. These are two roots of the equation. First I'll find out alpha plus beta, that is 2 minus root 5, then plus, that is alpha, plus beta. Beta is 2 plus root 5. So look, negative root 5, positive root 5, 0. This is plus 2 will give you plus 4. So alpha plus beta is 4. Same way I'll find out alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, that is product of the root, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So here we multiplying both the roots. Look, this is 2 minus root 5, this is 2 plus root 5. So it's look like a minus b, a plus b, right? So this right hand side of this equation look like a minus b, a plus b. We have already studied about this. If something is in the form of a minus b and a plus b, so that can be written as a square minus b square. This formula, this expansion we have already studied in 8th standard. So by using this expansion, I can say this whole part can be written in this way, that is a square minus b square. So in our case, a is 2, b is root 5. So here I'll take a square, that is 2 square, minus b square, that is root 5 square. A square, this is a square and this is b square. Now a square will give you 4 minus root 5 square will become 5. 4 minus 5, that is 1. So now we have alpha into beta is minus 1, alpha plus beta is 4. We will take our general form of the equation, which is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. So as per this formation, here we can take x square minus alpha plus beta, in our case is 4. So here I'll take 4. Along with alpha plus beta we have x, so I'll take x with 4. Then plus we have alpha into beta. So in our case alpha into beta is minus 1. So I'll take minus 1 within the root, because before alpha into beta we have plus sign and alpha into beta is negative. So two positive cannot be together, two sign cannot be together. So we used to separate them with the help of this bracket. So x square minus 4x, this plus and minus will give you minus 1 is equals to 0. And this is your required equation, x square minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. And its roots are 2 minus root 5. One root is 2 minus root 5 and other one is 2 plus root 5. So when you solve this equation by using formula method or completing square method, these two would be your answer, your roots of the equation. Hope it is clear to everybody how to find out quadratic equation and how to retrieve quadratic equation from the given roots of the equation. Now let's move on this question number 5. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. is double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3. So this is our question. We will solve this question and probably we will make new video for question number 6 and 7. This is part 6 of this chapter. So probably your question number, the solution of the question number 6 and 7 will be covered in part 7th video of this series. So we will move on this question number 5. Here we have our question. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3. So first we will compare this equation with its standard form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is 0. So value of a is 1, b is minus 4k, c is k plus 3. So these are the values of the a, b, c from the given equation. Now after getting values of a, b, c from the given equation, we need to understand the condition given in our question. Sum, here we are talking about sum of the roots, means alpha plus beta, right, is double their product. Double their product means alpha into beta. So here basically this condition says alpha plus beta is 2 times of alpha into beta, right? So here you will write according to given condition, according to the given condition, alpha plus beta is equals to 2 times of alpha into beta. We know alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, which is equal with 2 times of alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is nothing but c upon a minus b. What is the value of b? B is negative 4k. So here I'll take, we have negative b, so I'll take minus, and since value of b is also negative, so I'll write it within the bracket minus 4k upon a. A is 1. Now 2 into c. C is k plus 3. K plus 3 again upon 1, that is a. So here this minus will multiply with this minus will become plus. So this entire term will become 4k upon 1. 4k upon 1. So I can write it 4k upon 1 is equals to, this 2 will multiply with this k plus 3, right? So 2 into k, that is 2k, plus 2 into this 3 will give you 6. 2k plus 6 upon 1. We can cross multiply them. What you will get? 2k plus 6 is equals to 4k, right? And keeping 4k on its place, this 2k can be transposed to this side. Since it is positive 2k will become negative 2k, and we brought this 2k to the other side of the equation. So on this left hand side we have 6 is remaining on the left hand side of the equation. Now we can subtract 2k from 4k, so that will give you 2k is equals to 6. Keeping k on its place, 6 on its place, since this 2 is multiplying with this k, so I can bring it to this side and it will divide. So I can write this 2 in the denominator. So the final value of k will become 3. This is your final answer. That the question was about find the value of k, right? So here we question was about find the value of k, and now we have value of k as 3. So we done with this question. Hope you like this video. If you have any question query, please write in the comment box.